Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Rome Pantheon tickets online. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets online using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description. So once you have opened up that link in the description, it's going to take you to this page right here from where we can get started. So the first thing we want to do is to click the check availability button right here in the bottom right corner. Click on that and it's going to show you all the available days that you have for purchasing your tickets. So let's say I want to purchase a ticket for the 10th. It's going to enable me to select the ticket and then I can go and select the time slot right here. Select your time slot and now we can get started selecting what kind of tickets we want. Let's say only one adult. Once you've done so, click the next button and it's going to take you to this page right here where you can get started with seeing all the other similar experiences that you can save money on. And if you're not interested, just click the no thanks button and click the next option and it's going to take you to this page. From this page we can get started. Here we can go ahead and take a look at all the info we need to fill out. So fill out all the necessary info and click the next option to go to the payment page. Make sure to fill out everything needed right here. So once you've done that, we can get started. Click next and it's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started selecting the payment method that we want to use. You're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Select which one you prefer the most. Once you open it up, it's going to open up this new menu from where we can fill out all our info and then click the pay button. Once you've successfully made the payment, you're going to receive your tickets in your email address that you use for registering your account. So basically go into the description right now, find the first link. It's going to be the first link in the description, open it up and you are going to go and be able to purchase the tickets for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.